another Nerdy Nummies. Today I have a very special guest. It's Timothy DeLaGhetto!
Oh my gosh. Hi, what's up?
Okay,
Hey.
I am like a level 10 excited because one, we have never baked before.
I've never baked ever. So.
Okay, so he's apparently never baked before either, but you are a foodie, like you have experience with like food because you did like a food show.
Yeah, I do. I mean, I eat a lot of food. Yeah, I have a food show I do on Thrillist. Me and my buddy, we go to different food festivals and like we eat and drink and just have a good time.
That sounds
Oh,
amazing.
it's called Send Foods.
Send Foods. Link down below. Also may recognize this face from Wildin' Out.
Oh yeah.
What? Maybe, are you, okay, I'm just doing like hand gestures. I'm doing hype behind you. Also, I'm gonna put a link down below to Tim's YouTube channel, so go check it out, subscribe, and show him some love because he is amazing.
I'm doing more like, mukbangy stuff now. I got a
Yes!
Yes! My mukbangs are called drukbangs because they're
Drukbangs.
drunk mukbangs.
I love that. I'm coming over.
Come over,
When
we'll do
I'm
it,
coming
yeah.
over. I did a Mike Drunk Kitchen with Hannah, and it was so much fun.
Mm-hmm.
Also, Tim and I are in the 4th season of Escape the Night. It's over on Joey Graceffa's channel. I'll put a link down below to that as well. We're in All Stars, season 4. Okay, now to baking. Let's get to
do it.
baking. Today we are celebrating, look at my t-shirt. We're celebrating space. This year is the 50th anniversary of us landing on the moon landing.
The moon landing.
What's this? What are you doing
It's
this
if
for?
you believe the moon landing.
What do you mean if you believe the
You
moon
never heard that
landing?
like conspiracy theory that it was all faked? And
Oh my goodness.
It's all like just set up.
If I had $1 for every conspiracy theory, I would be so many dollars. So many. I have so many dollars. I would need 10 million bank accounts.
Oh my
They
God.
couldn't even hold all my dollars.
She is adorable.
They couldn't hold how many dollars I would have. Anyways, you guys, today we're celebrating space. We're celebrating that big round thing in the atmosphere called the moon, and I'm really freaking excited about it.
So what are we making?
Okay, we're making a moon cake.
Moon cake.
Now this is a throwback. The reason this is a Nerdy Nummies episode is because this recipe is from my first cookbook, and I got a lot of requests to make a recipe from this cookbook because we've been making recipes from the new one.
Okay.
So right here, check this out. It's a moon cake.
Super cute.
It's a little half round cake, and I like it because it's really simple and it's easy to decorate because you don't need any fancy fondant work or anything. That's the only decoration is a little like astronaut right there. See, proof. We'll
Proof that it's
your
real.
conspiracy wrong. That's an astronaut.
But then
and
why?
He's on the moon.
But why isn't the flag moving?
Because this is a picture.
No, I mean why?
Okay, so we're gonna make this. It's really easy. It's just a simple cake, and then look how easy this is.
Oh, okay, fun.
You bake it in a bowl, a glass bowl.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then once it's baked, we use little ice cream scoops, cut
Cute.
out, and then frost. Boom, that easy.
Very cute.
Okay, you ready to bake?
Let's get started.
The recipe that we're making today is super simple. It's a vanilla cake recipe, so you can use whatever one you'd like. But if you'd like to use the one that I'm using, I'll be putting all of the ingredients and the measurements in the description down below. All right, so Tim, I'm
Yes.
gonna have you do step 1.
Okay, which is?
Which is mix together all of the dry ingredients. And luckily there's not a lot of dry ingredients.
Okay.
You can't mess this up.
Okay.
You're gonna mix in baking powder and salt with the flour.
And then I just
Yeah, then just mix it up.
have I whisked enough? I'm
Yeah,
tired.
okay, you're doing great. I didn't also tell you that baking is a workout. That's how you get these.
Damn, okay, guns. Oh my gosh. My right arm is way stronger than my left arm. I don't
Okay,
know why.
we'll have you whisk with your left arm.
Okay.
Okay, we'll even it out. We're gonna set this off to the side. Now, Tim, we're gonna cream together your butters and sugars, starting with your butter. Scoop in with a spatula some butter.
Butter.
You wanna keep it at room temperature. Just
Okay.
makes it easier to cream. Now shortening. Add a little bit of shortening.
Oh, was that too much?
No, all of it.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean,
okay,
this
okay.
will add our shortening. And because we have 2 substances, we're gonna cream it together first before we add our sugar. Okay, so mix together on like a medium speed until it's a little fluffy.
Okay, I'm gonna go for like a 4.5.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. Out of 10, the speeds go to 10. That's
2.
really good.
Yeah, that's smooth.
Oh, I love how butter smells. Okay, now we're gonna cream together our butters and sugar right now. We're gonna mix together till it's light and fluffy. So Tim, go ahead, pour all that sugar in.
Oh,
Now you
yeah.
might be thinking this is a lot of sugar. Well, yes, that's because this is a double recipe. The bowl that I'm using is quite large, and one batch, it's just a little, it's not as tall as I'd like. Sorry, sugar error. Sugar air. Okay, now on a medium speed again.
Okay.
We're gonna mix together till light and fluffy. Important question. Pancakes or waffles?
If I had
Pancakes
to
or
choose, if I
waffles?
had to choose, I'm going waffles.
What is up with all the guys? They go for the waffles.
Really?
Yeah.
I like the texture of it. A little soft
Little
with
crunchy?
the crunch, you know?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments below. Do you like waffles or pancakes? Heated, debated question here. There's probably conspiracy theory Illuminati about one of those answers. Okay, this looks good. This is really fluffy. It's like a cloud. Now we're gonna mix in our 2 extracts. We have vanilla and almond extract. One more thing I almost forgot. We're gonna be adding all of these egg whites.
Oh my gosh.
No yolks.
No
we want
yolks?
the whites.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! Because if you add the yolks, then it's a yellow cake. If you just do the egg whites, it's a vanilla white cake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What setting am I at for
We
this?
could probably put on a 6.
Oh my gosh,
You
he's
just
crazy.
crank it up. Yeah. Whoa, maybe a 4. Whoa, I was wrong. I was so wrong. I like that I jump behind you like Tim's just my shield. I'm like, whoa. Okay, now this is the fun part.
Yeah, now what?
This is math. So we're gonna add the dry ingredients and the milk to our butter mixture, starting and ending with dry. So we're gonna do dry, mix it up, half the milk, mix it up, dry, mix it up, the other half of the milk, mix it up, and then ending with dry.
Oh my.
I'll walk you through this. I swear it's easier than it sounds.
No, I think I understand.
Okay, ready? Like, is
Oh
that
my
a
god,
third?
that's enough!
Oh, oops. Okay, lock
Okay.
it in. Just mix up on low speed.
Okay, let's go with a 2.5.
That's nice. That's nice.
Okay.
That's a good mix.
Feeling that.
It's like here.
Yeah.
It's really
That's
gentle.
a good. Yeah, that's a good groove. Yeah,
coming
yeah.
together.
I like that.
Okay, so I'm also really messy. So don't tell anybody.
Yes. Throw that back.
Just like something never happened. Okay, now we're gonna add half the milk. You
my
can pour
gosh.
it in while it's going because it's such a slow speed, so that's okay. Then we gotta add the other third of the dry.
Oh my gosh, that's enough.
this
That's enough. That's
never-
enough. Oh my gosh.
This bowl sucks.
Does it?
We need a bowl with a pour spigot. See how this has a pour spigot?
A little spigot.
I'm so messy. Wait, do you have merch?
I have a clothing brand.
What? You didn't send me any?
You want some?
So rude.
Yeah,
Tim
yeah,
has
look.
a clothing brand. He didn't send me anything.
I'll send you some. I'll send you
Oh
some.
my gosh. Oh, Tim, you need to send me some.
We have
Okay,
hats
I'm
that say
psyched.
annoyed that do really well.
Okay.
Girls like to wear them to the gym, so like guys don't bother them when they're
Oh,
working
okay.
out. Yeah.
I have a home gym, so I'll just wear it there and I'll be like, Mike, don't bother me. So-
That'll work.
okay, cool.
I like shooting with you because like, you know, we're down here, same
Yeah,
level.
we're petite.
Yeah.
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 The more petite you are, the funnier you are.
I agree.
Yeah. It's
Because,
facts.
you know, it's because I always feel like short guys got to bring all the attention back down. So it's like,
Gotta
we
bring
got
it here.
You're like, hey, come look at me. I'm funny. Hey, girl, come this way. Come down here. I'm funny.
That's why I love Danny DeVito. He's my favorite actor. He's my favorite. I freaking love Danny DeVito.
Do you watch Always Sunny in Philadelphia?
Yes, every episode. I was on an episode of Sunny in
What?
Philadelphia.
Which one?
Yes, Rumham. I'm gonna put up a picture on the screen right now. Don't demonetize me, but I'm in a swimsuit top. I had a blast. I got to dance with Danny DeVito all night. He was so sweet to me.
Are you guys the same height?
He's a little bit taller.
Ah.
Season 7, episode 2.
Okay.
Look for this little Snooki lookalike. We have made a mess.
A little bit.
Right here. Mostly I've made the mess, let's be honest.
No,
this is all my fault.
This is a team effort.
You
No,
can't
no,
even
no.
see behind the cabinet over here. This is, the island is just covered with
Yeah,
flour.
and there's just a pile of trash too. that you
It's
didn't clean up.
just so much. Okay, so now Tim, I need your help. We gotta shake this free.
Nah, you know, it's a lefty loosey situation.
Yeah, just kind of
there
twist
we
it
go.
off there. We're gonna fill the bowl about 2/3 full. We're eyeballing it, and I've also greased the bowl so that it doesn't stick. And then we're gonna smooth it out. Boop, 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 boop. Usually I bake cakes in just baking pans, but today we are using a heat-safe, I can't stress that enough, heat-safe glass bowl.
Right, because they
And
always tell you not to microwave glass stuff unless it's heat.
unless it's heat-safe, and if it is heat-safe, you can actually put these in the oven.
Word?
Yeah, you can break with these. They will not break. So I thought that was really fascinating, and this makes a perfect like moon shape if you want to make a half circle cake. So now Boom, look at this.
Beautiful.
Our cake is ready to bake. You're gonna heat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 15 minutes. And then the only tricky thing is we're gonna reduce the heat to 300 degrees and bake for an additional 40 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
This is what I call a slow bake method. You reduce the heat so it's not as hot and you bake for a longer amount of time. And you do that with really dense cakes so that they bake all the way through and they don't burn and they don't dry out.
Oh.
Otherwise, they're gross. Ta-da! Here's our cake. It is baked. We gave it plenty of time to cool. And now, before we frost, we're gonna carve little holes like the moon.
Yeah.
Okay, Tim, can you help me pick it up?
Yeah, we're gonna put it up here.
Yeah, let's put it on our cake stand.
This is heavy.
Oh shoot, I gotta pick it up. We'll do teamwork. Ready?
Yes,
I'm gonna
yes,
lift it
yes.
up. You take it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. Yes.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's
I
a
think
nice
so.
dense cake. And a pro tip that I would give you is to chill this cake. You can either chill it in the fridge or even freeze it before you carve it.
Oh, because it'll be easier to get the little.
It'll be less crumbly.
I got you.
All right, so these are little ice cream scoops. So they're different circle sizes.
Cool.
And what you're doing is you're just gonna scoop circles into the cake to make it
Fun.
look like the moon.
Huh.
Because they have all these little craters everywhere. I mean, I've never been there, but I've seen pictures of it.
I've never been there either, but I have a lot of acne scars. So when they made fun of me in high school, they said I had craters.
What? They did not.
No, just my good friends. Like,
Oh my gosh, how rude.
yeah, it's okay. It happens. And look, I'm on TV now, so kids, you can have acne scars and you'll still
Yeah.
be on TV. My mom always used to be like, "Hey, take care of your skin. How you gonna be a movie star if you don't take care of your skin?" And then they have makeup, so you're good.
Boom. HD makeup. Mom, read
Mom.
about it.
Ha.
Just kidding. Love you, Mom. Sorry. Oh, wait, Tim, you've got the big one. I need a big hole right here.
Okay. Should I scoop like it's? Oh, okay.
Yeah, you scoop it just like an ice cream scoop.
I'll just get a nice little.
Isn't this cool?
Can I eat this?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
Of course you can.
It's tasty.
Isn't it good? Nice and simple. This is a really fun cake idea if you're having a birthday party and you want to do like a space-themed birthday party, or if you just want to get all your NASA friends together and be all like,
All your NASA.
oh my gosh, I'm an astrophysicist. And you're like, oh my gosh, me too.
Space
Let's
party.
celebrate. Okay, this is looking good. Like, look what Tim did.
That's a clean
That
hole
looks
right there.
like a moon.
Yeah.
You can add as many or few as you'd like to the cake. I'm gonna put a little one right here. These are better than donut holes. Oh my God, this is really good. We need one more. We need one more.
Just to make them not look so organized, you know?
Yeah, we can't have a perfect moon. It needs
Yeah.
to look natural and real.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Oh, I love it.
Oh, I kind
Big,
of
like,
messed it up over
scoop-
there.
No, it's great.
Okay. Do you believe in aliens?
Aliens?
Yeah.
I've never seen an alien, but the galaxy and how many universe, it's just so vast.
Well-
Galaxy and universe is so vast.
I agree.
And we're only in one solar system. There's so many other solar systems.
We're so
and
tiny, yeah.
So many other planets that I don't think that it would be not logic. I don't think that,
It would be illogical.
I think
You think it would be logical?
there.
Yeah, that
that's
we're not
it.
alone, yeah.
I think it's logical that there's probably some other living species on another planet.
I was on a plane next to a guy that said he like has encounters with aliens all the time, and he's like,
What?
yeah, they're always up there. He runs into people that are like, but I've never seen them flying around up there, and he's like, well, how often are you just looking up? And I was like, oh, that's a good point. And then he vanished.
And then he vanished. Boom! And we were like, no one from Men in Black found you.
Yeah, I know,
And they
right?
did not wipe your memory.
Yeah, they forgot.
Uh-oh, you just told them they're gonna come find you now.
Oh my
They'll be
God,
like,
no.
hey Tim, look at this light.
A little bit.
All right, everybody, there is our moon cake. That easy. And now I've just got some buttercream icing in a piping bag. This is a lot of icing, and I've dyed it kind of a grayish color because that's what the moon looks like to me.
Kind of, yeah, like a bluish, grayish, yeah.
So we're just gonna pipe this onto the cake.
Pipe it up.
Yeah, like this. And then, Tim, I'm gonna have you help me with
Like
these
spread it
little
around?
offset
Yeah.
spatulas.
Cool.
We're just gonna smooth it out. But let me get a lot of frosting. Especially here, these holes, like the crevices, are really crumbly. So you just gotta be careful. The thing I really like about this cake is the moon is all like choppy and has so many
It's
craters.
imperfect,
Yeah.
yeah.
So if you aren't the best at icing or you're a beginner baker, decorating can be really easy. Doesn't even look perfect. Wait, have you piped before?
I've caulked.
Ah, like
Yeah.
in your tub.
Yeah.
Very similar.
Yeah.
Just not edible.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
I'll just frost all the way around. Tim, you got the spatulas.
Oh my
You're
gosh.
so ready.
Okay.
And now we're just gonna smooth it out with the spatulas.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh man,
This is a great cake.
this is fun.
Okay, this was kind of hard because now I forgot where the holes were.
Yeah, exactly.
Oops. We have to find where they are and we have to like frost them out.
There's one.
Okay, thanks, Tim.
I'm just like,
you frost it around like a circle. We got this, Tim. We got this.
I
We're gonna
either
find 'em.
found one or I just made one. I don't know. Something happened over here.
You know, but like it doesn't matter. I feel like it's good.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I found one.
Let me
Yeah.
come over there. Let me come over there. Look how good that looks. Okay, Tim.
Yes.
I'm gonna let you do the honor.
Yes.
This is gonna be the man on the moon. We're gonna recreate it right here. This is Neil Armstrong.
Is that the guy with he rode the bike? It's Lance Armstrong. Right.
That's Lance.
Right.
That's Lance. These Armstrongs are real famous though, aren't they?
I guess so.
Okay, wait. Let me give you Neil.
Okay.
Okay, you gotta get Neil and you gotta stick him right on there.
One small step for man,
Oh!
to infinity and beyond.
That's Buzz Lightyear. Tim, that's Buzz Lightyear.
I know.
Okay, I'm gonna put this little flag right behind him. Oh, how cool. You know what? I'm gonna put a little frosting over it. Why not?
Yeah,
what the
sure,
heck?
yeah.
What the heck? One last detail.
Finesse it up.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's just cover this up. Make it look really good. Oh my gosh, Tim, this is great. Okay, we've done it. And ta-da!
Ta-da!
Here is the mooncake that we made today from the Nerdy Nummies cookbook. I really hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Nerdy Nummies. This was so much fun to make, and it's a very simple cake, like if you're a beginner baker, because the decoration, look at this, it's just a bunch of frosting and holes. Easy. Yes, also a big thank you to Tim. Tim, thank you for coming over and
Thank you for
baking
having
with
me.
me.
Super
This was so
fun.
much
Thank
fun.
you.
And now I'm gonna go hang out with Tim and we're gonna do a mukbang. So stay tuned for that. I will keep you updated. I'll be putting all of his links down below, so go check him out, subscribe. Go check him out, subscribe, show him some love. He's the best. He's super funny, super talented, not just with comedy, also music.
Too much pressure.
Oh yeah, and we're in Escape the Night together, so check that out as well. I'll be posting a bunch of pictures and the recipe all over social media, and if you guys make this cake, please take a picture and send it to me. I love seeing your baking creations. It just makes me happy.
Yay.
It makes my day. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.